All right, welcome to a look at Procreate Dreams as a notebook. So the idea here is it's an animated notebook for doing things like keeping track of your tasks or the types of things you would keep track of in Notion, like your nutrition, your projects, anything like that. So you can see here I've got Project 1, Virtuous, and then I have a to-do list that comes in. And I can quickly go in and expand this, open up this group, and then inside of that, I can actually click on one of these items and just go in with my pen and change task 2 to whatever I want it to be, and so on. So the idea is I have this first page that's an animated page with a task list for Virtuous. And then I move on, and you can see I switch to a green desk here with ImagineOS to-do list. And I'm still kind of perfecting this, but I just want to give you a quick look at this idea of having multiple to-do lists. So here's ImagineOS. If I go back to the left, there's Virtuous, back to ImagineOS. And then if I come over here, you can see my next section gets into this kind of cool gamepad that I created to track my nutrition. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I can go in there and actually put in breakfast, lunch, and dinner and write that in now that I've built this little animated interface. So in theory, I could grab this whole group and do something like a performance where I do that, and then I'll perform it, I will perform it like that, zooming in and down. Okay, so now you can see that we go in, and then we can actually zoom right in to the information right there, right? So I can come in here and then even zoom in further into each individual day. So that'll make nice spaces for me to go ahead and edit. So if I click on, right now we're in performance mode, click on that, and ideally I should be able to do this, bring it to the middle and increase. And I'm gonna have to expand that, but anyways, you get the idea. Let's go ahead and undo a couple steps. So we've got this space, and then I just had a thanks for watching space. So if I zoom out, you can see here that on the timeline, we have this area right here for the first project, Virtuous, with a task list. This area right here for a second project, and I can click on that, zoom in, open that group up, right? So now we have the second area. Then we get into the third area, which is this gamepad for nutrition, and I can open that up as well. And I can start to build out these kind of interactive groups of interfaces that I can go in and start actually using as a animated digital notebook. Something totally different, out of the box way to use Procreate Dreams and to use an animated timeline for keeping track of your notes, your notebook, and building your own little digital animated interfaces that you can customize and sketch on. And after I fill in this first one, I can duplicate the whole group, delete the content, make it for the second week, the third week, and so on, and start to expand this out as well as an example. So lots of fun stuff, just getting used to this, and I can't wait for more features to be added to Procreate so that it becomes easier and easier to use. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to continuing to build out animated interfaces that we can sketch on and have a good time. Do project management and planning and so on in a whole new way. Thanks for watching.